Gravity influences everything that happens on Earth. For an estimated 3.8 billion years, microorganisms, plants and animals on Earth have lived and evolved in the constant physical context of gravity. Removing the pull of gravity can be the key to gaining insight into basic phenomena in many fields, by allowing the underlying processes whose effects are masked by the dominant gravity-dependent forces to be observed. Whether in the fields of biology, physiology, physics, chemistry or technology, microgravity experimentation is a powerful tool to advance knowledge. Orbiting at close to 400 kilometers above the Earth, the International Space Station, the biggest spacecraft ever built by humankind, is a unique, out-of-this-world research laboratory, perfect for performing scientific and technological microgravity experiments, and for testing new products and technologies. Kaiser Italia has partnered with the European Space Agency to set up Bioreactor Express, a service conceived to make access to microgravity a reality for companies, universities, and research organizations wishing to perform scientific experiments and technology demonstrations in space. With over 80 space missions, 120 payloads, and more than 50 successful life science experiments carried out in its 34 years of activity, Kaiser Italia has the unique know-how and experience to guarantee the seamless implementation of experiments in the space environment. A portfolio of flight-proven experiment containers and bioreactors is available, supporting a variety of biological sample types including plant seeds, bacteria, yeasts, algae, and eukaryotic cells and tissues, as well as small animals such as tardigrades, nematodes, rotifers, and tadpoles. Lead time from contract to launch is 12 months when existing hardware can be used. Changes to existing hardware and new designs are also possible. Once the ideal hardware to perform the experiment has been identified, Kaiser Italia provide the necessary training to enable the customer to test and tune the experiment protocol until ready for flight. The integration of the experiment hardware for the flight can either take place at the customer's premises, at Kaiser Italia's Experiment Support Center, or at launch site. Once on board the ISS, the experiment is executed by the crew using CUBIC. CUBIC is ESA's incubator facility, permanently installed in the Columbus module of the ISS. Since 2004, 39 experiments have been performed inside CUBIC, most of which were developed by Kaiser Italia. Onboard operations can be supported from Kaiser Italia's User Support Operations Center. At the end of the experiment, onboard cold stowage is available, as well as temperature-controlled download to Earth. Once back on the ground, the hardware is disassembled and the samples, together with the experiment data, can be analysed.